Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So have you seen people using new NotebookLM features like video overviews, flashcards, quizzes, infographics, deep research, slide decks or new studio tools, but they don't appear in your account? You are not alone. This is one of the most common NotebookLM complaints because Google frequently rolls out new features gradually rather than releasing them to everyone at the same time. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix new features not showing up in NotebookLM in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, confirm the feature has actually been released. Like first, verify that the feature is officially available. For example, video overviews, deep research, flashcards, quizzes, slide decks, infographics, new studio tools. So Google frequently announces new NotebookLM features before the rollout fully completes. So announcement dates and rollout dates are often different. So check your account type, like feature availability can vary depending on your account. For example, personal Google account, Google AI Plus, Google AI Pro, Google AI Ultra, workspace account, school account. So some new NotebookLM features are released to premium subscribers before free users. So account type is one of the biggest factors. Verify you are using the correct Google account. So many users accidentally switches accounts. So check Gmail address, Google profile icon, active browser account. So the feature may exist on one account but not on another. Okay, so wrong account issues are common. Okay, so this is it, guys, how to fix new features not showing up in NotebookLM. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.